Hello and welcome to Unit 11. I'm Andre Taylor. Unit 11 is titled Leadership Development Principles and Methods, and in this unit we change focus. In the prior units we looked at various leadership strategies that you could apply to exert influence in different situations, but now we're looking at various methods and principles you can apply to continue to grow as a leader throughout your career and indeed to help others to do the same. We look at principles and methods of leadership development, and when I say methods, we're talking about things like mentoring, coaching, challenging job assignments, 360-degree feedback, all methods we can use to accelerate our development as leaders. The unit also provides knowledge and tools, for example conceptual models, that sets us up for doing a good job in creating an individual leadership development plan in Unit 12. So in many ways, Unit 11 and Unit 12 are linked. This is the theory, and then Unit 12 is the practice. A couple of key messages I'd like to emphasise. The first is that I would encourage you to view leadership development as a lifelong process rather than a very short, condensed process. And the methods and principles in this unit aim to give you the tools to manage that process over the longer term. So leadership development requires individuals to take ownership of that process. The second key point I wanted to emphasise was the value of a simple conceptual model explained in this unit called the CAS model. The CAS stands for Challenge, Assessment and Support, and it's a good model to remember whenever you're engaging in leadership development activities to ensure that you've got all three bases covered. The first one, C, challenge, means that we need to stretch ourselves as leaders. So in other words, we might take on a challenging new role or a challenging project. We might be trying some new behaviour. So we're outside of our comfort zone, and that's where we grow. The A stands for assessment, and that means we're getting feedback along the way, preferably from multiple sources of people on how we're doing as a developing leader, what's working, what's not, and that's essential as we practice new behaviours and strategies. And the S stands for support. So along the way, it can be difficult, so we need some support options, whether it be a coach, a mentor, or some buddy arrangements where we can talk things through, bounce ideas back and forth. So please remember that challenge, assessment and support, and we'll be looking for those three elements when you build an individual leadership development plan, which is the focus of the next unit. So I hope you enjoy this unit, Leadership Development Principles and Methods, and it gives you the knowledge and the tools that you can apply in the following unit as you build your individual leadership development plan.